Alright, fellow scrappers. Today I'm scrapping this is a flojet. I don't know, it's some kind of water pump thing. It's got a little stupid plastic fitting here. I already tried connecting it, it don't work. But, cut this ground wire off. Get going. Got screws on the top. See how easy these screws come out. Uh-oh. That's out. Oh, we got screws. And the rest of this is plastic. Some nice little springs here. Those look like valves, almost like in a car engine. Well, that's all I can do from this end. Let's take these out. What size are they? This size? Ooh, they're that sized. This is definitely my favorite tool. What's keeping this? That always works. Oh, look at that. Got magnets in there. That's weird. That's a brushless motor. Or no, it's got brushes. I'm going to show you how to get the copper out of this sucker. But first we got to get this rubber off, because I need to see the back side of this. That's not going to work. Not seeing any more screws. What is this? That's just steel. I'll throw that in my tin bucket. See if we can get this open. I don't understand why I can't get this rubber off. There's a screw down in there. Didn't even see that. Huh. Gotta get these other screws out to get the valves out, but I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna have to smash it some more. That worked. That always works. So now I can get these screws out. Oh no, stupid Allen key. Alright, let's get some more of this rubber off. So I can see what I'm working with. And it isn't looking good. This is cast aluminum, I bet this will break. Nope, but I bet I can get that screw out now. I love it. I can get this one out too now. Alright, and alright, now I gotta go find the Allen key for that. Alright, I got that stupid Allen key nut out. It was easy. I just actually used a square bit on my drill. And a little piece of heavy melt. Piece of cast aluminum. It's just going to slide out nice. I got this stupid little clip in here. Gone. Come out nice now. Sometimes the center shaft comes out easily. Sometimes you really got to pound on it. But you want to get the center shaft out first. Just gonna set it over my vise and hammer it down. Not that bad. Use this other screwdriver to finish the job. And that's out. Now this the end of the commuter here, you can go ahead and throw that in your number 2 copper bucket if you can get it off. I'm going to try to get it off here. Actually, I forgot. The easiest way to do this. I got pieces everywhere now, but I'll find it all. It just smashes. You can throw that in your number 2 copper bucket. I got pieces of it everywhere. And now for this. This is the fun part. These little plastic tabs, they usually just pull right out. Yep, got them. You pull all these plastic tabs out. You pull most of them out. Now, get the center piece of plastic that's in there. Now I'm going to scrap this whole commuter. This is simple to do. All you got to do is hacksaw straight through. lot of copper in a commuter. And a lot of people don't know how easy they are to scrap. The copper windings pull out just the same as an electric motor. And now the rest of it, see I cut one half off, the rest of it all just pulls out from the other side. So quick and easy. Ice cream truck just drove by. Alright, I'm going to finish doing this. And I'm going to put everything together. And I'll show you what we got out of this. Okay, I got some, you can call this number 2 copper. Or you can call it copper bearing, but I'm going to call it number 2 copper. I got a big old lump of number 2 copper. I'm going to call this copper bearing. It's got the brush housings in it, a little bit of copper. They'll give me copper bearing price for that. I got some coated copper to strip. And a little bit of heavy melt and some tin. So, not that bad. Made a couple bucks for a couple minutes worth of work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.